Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V17 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, we have to open our contact list. You can do it with the dialer, just tap on it and pick this profile picture here. Now let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, and tap on edit in the right upper corner. Let's tap on this plus icon, and as you can see, we can either choose a photo or take a photo. By picking the take a photo option, your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you are able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can simply choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Let's find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. And as you can see from this tab, we can adjust the size of this highlighted square. We cannot unfortunately zoom in or out the photo, but that's okay. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area, highlighted area, is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, maybe bigger one, and tap on OK. As you can see, the photo has been applied here in the circle. So if you're happy with your choice, remember to tap on done in the right upper corner so it can be saved. This is how our contact looks like. Unfortunately, in this device you will not see the photos on the contact list, but you can still see it, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.